Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable dark mode using TikTok application. So how you're going to do it, watch the video till the end and let's find out. First thing you need to do is to go to your TikTok application, then tap on profile. You will find it at the bottom right corner. Tap on that one. Then you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And from here, you need to tap on settings and privacy. From here, you can scroll down and you will find the display option here. You need to tap on display, and from here, as you can see, it is set on light mode. So I want to change it to dark. You just tap on that one and dark mode will be enabled on your TikTok application. But there is another one. Use device setting, match appearance to your device display and brightness settings. If you enable this one, that means that it will change according to your device setting. If you enable dark mode in your device, so it will change automatically on TikTok application as well. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.